Okay, now we're going. Okay, so I bought this grow light, and you can see it's got the little button here to turn it on and off. And so you can see there it's, I've got to turn on my power bank. There we go. So it's bright here, and it's pretty bright when I look at it. I mean, I'm outside, so it's not going to be super bright, but I can change the colors here and make it just blue or red only, or back and forth or whatever. So it's a pretty cool little light, and it's got intensity settings, and it's got a clip on here to clip it on. And so it looks pretty cool if it doesn't get bright enough to light up the plants, which I think it will. But if not, it'll still be fun to just play with and light up the room and use colors, because it's got 4 different little light areas. So definitely like it. Yeah, pretty cool. And there's the blue, there's the red, blue and red. I think it's red. I'm colorblind, so it's pretty neat.